Hey guys, this is Huzaifa for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I am going to talk about what it really takes to manifest anything quickly and easily. Now, before I begin this video, I would like to inform you that previously, few decades ago, there were a lot of inventions happening, right? Lot of new things are happening. You can go to the previous discoveries in Upanishads, in different Bhagavad Gita, and all the religious and spiritual practices. Lot of discovery and invention has been done, but right now not lot of discoveries and invention are happening, right, which can lead us to spiritual enlightenment. The reason for this is right now there is no self questioning going on. People are blindly following whatever they are intended, or whatever they are about to, whatever exposure they have, they just blindly follow. They don't question themselves. But the people before were questioning each and every time. Whenever they receive anything new, they would question, why would I do that? What would tempt me to do that? What is the reason that I need to do that? Right? So the first step to really manifest anything is to question everything. Question your existence, question your time spending, question how you utilize your time, what you do in your day, question each and everything. This is the first step. Next, there is a three-step process going on. First you need to believe, then you need to ask, and then is the receiving step. Three steps: believing, asking, and receiving. So whenever you believe something, okay, that this is there, you need to ask, okay, how can I get that? For example, I am doing this YouTube video. I am asking myself each and every day, how can I improve myself? How can I provide more value to the people? Right? So simultaneously, I am receiving the answers from the universe. I am receiving the circumstances. The circumstances and the people automatically come into my life, right, to make other inspire. Right, that is my mission. So it helps in my mission. Right, so it is a three-step process. First is believing, next is asking, and next is receiving. Now I have previously talked about the inventions, right? So the people don't ask, people don't question each and everything. That's the reason they are stuck. It's like whatever a lot of people are following, the people are moving in that way, but it is not like that. You need to find yourself, find your why are you here, what is your thing, what is your life purpose. You need to question each and everything. And once you question each and everything and ask proper questions, that how can I get better and all that, then you will start to manifest very quickly, right? So this is the secret of manifestation. This is the three-step process, right? I am also trying to do this on rarely basis. Before I was not into much into this use, but I have learned, right? And from that I also have one thing to share, that knowledge not used is garbage. Now I'm knowing some stuff, right? And if I don't make videos, or if I don't make an impact, it doesn't make any sense. Because knowledge is not used is garbage. It is garbage, like it, time will pass and I will forget. But I don't want that. I want my future generation also to remember that I am doing these videos because I was knowing this, and I have already manifested certain things in my life, right? So this is the thing. So this was the message from my end. I hope you are enjoying my content. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to receive a regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. Right. So this was the message. I am Mr. signing off. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Peace.